Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Now, GG Mobile. First, open your mobile browser and navigate to the Now, GG website. This platform allows you to stream Roblox directly, bypassing downloads and saving storage space on your device. It's a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite games instantly, requiring only a stable internet connection and a few simple steps to get started. Once you are on the Now, GG homepage, you will see a search bar or a list of popular games. Type Roblox into the search bar and press Enter. When Roblox appears in the search results, simply click on its icon to launch the game. You might be prompted to log in with your Roblox account, so have your credentials ready. It's a straightforward process, taking only a few moments. For the best experience, ensure you have a strong and stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, to minimize lag. You can also adjust in-game graphics settings within Roblox to a lower quality if you experience any performance issues. Now, GG is designed to optimize streaming, but a good connection is key. Consider closing other background applications on your device to free up resources for smoother gameplay. If you encounter any issues, try refreshing your browser or clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes, a simple restart of your device can resolve minor glitches. For persistent problems, check the Now, GG support page for specific troubleshooting guides. Remember, a consistent internet speed of at least 5 megabits per second is recommended for optimal streaming performance. Enjoy your Roblox adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.